Some of my views, my experience with, I think, these people, including professors or those scholars, Oxford. The main reason why I feel great honor, I feel sometimes human intelligence sometimes it becomes source of problem or division. But at the same time, human intelligence really, I think, source of bring together, I feel. The uneducated and less intellectual, then they are usually sort of feeling a bit short-sighted. I noticed among the scientists, they don't care nationality or religious belief. They are real sort of spirit of international sort of what's today, same community, one community. I found that, and that also I think in many professional fields. I think because of their sort of knowledge, something high. And they can see broad picture. So therefore, I hope and I believe Oxford, like other important institutions, I think can make sort of effective contribution regarding promotion of, I usually call, sense of global responsibility. And President of People's Republic of China now called promotion of harmonious society. More or less, I think, same view. Of course, the President of China is mainly concerned about within his own country. So I think the education, proper education, broad-minded, really, I think, the basis of promotion of real global responsibility. So I hope you will make more contribution in the future. This is my just feeling. Thank you.
We hope to justify that.